Want to use Sentry mode and Dashcam on your Tesla through the mobile app? This video will show you how. As of December 2025, the Tesla app lets you view live streams from Sentry mode and access Dashcam clips remotely. We'll cover enabling these features and accessing your camera feeds easily. Sentry mode is Tesla's security system that activates cameras when your vehicle is parked and locked, recording any motion or sounds detected. Dashcam records continuous footage while driving, providing 360-degree coverage that can be accessed and downloaded through the app. To enable these features, start in your vehicle settings under Controls, then Security, and toggle on Sentry mode. Then, in the Tesla app, navigate to the Cameras tab to view live streams and access your clips remotely. These camera features are available as of December 2025, allowing you to monitor and secure your Tesla from anywhere. First, ensure your Tesla is a Model 3 from 2021 or newer, or has been retrofitted for older models. This hardware compatibility is essential for the camera features. In your car's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Security, and find Sentry mode. Toggle it on to activate the security feature. Next, stay in Controls, go to Cameras, and enable Dashcam recording. This activates the driving recorder feature. These steps activate the features on the vehicle side. Finally, make sure the car has a Wi-Fi or cellular connection for remote access. Open your Tesla app, version 4.3 or higher on your smartphone. Navigate to the Controls section, then select Cameras. Here you'll find options for live camera when Sentry mode is active, and view Dashcam clips for accessing your recordings. Log in using your Tesla account credentials. For remote viewing, opt in to enhanced privacy settings to ensure secure access. Sentry mode activates automatically when your Tesla is parked and locked. After 5 to 10 minutes of inactivity, the system engages to protect your vehicle. If Sentry mode detects motion, people approaching the vehicle, or unusual sounds, it immediately starts recording video from the external cameras. This provides security footage for any potential incidents. With recent app updates, Sentry mode can stream live video directly to your Tesla mobile app. You can view what's happening around your car in real time, receiving alerts for any detected activity. To minimize false alarms, Sentry mode integrates with Tesla's autopilot sensors and advanced AI algorithms. This intelligent system distinguishes between genuine threats and harmless environmental factors. You can manage Sentry mode settings through the vehicle's controls menu, ensuring it's properly configured for your needs. Tesla's Dashcam feature continuously records footage while you're driving, capturing your journey from start to finish. This creates a permanent record of your drive that can be invaluable for safety and insurance purposes. The Dashcam is smart. It automatically detects significant events like hard braking, sudden acceleration, or collisions. When these events occur, the system automatically saves a clip around that moment, preserving the crucial seconds before and after the incident. Dashcam uses the vehicle's full array of external cameras to provide complete 360-degree coverage around your Tesla. Typically utilizing 8 to 12 cameras positioned around the vehicle, this comprehensive view ensures no blind spots and captures everything happening both inside and outside the car. Saved clips are stored in the cloud and accessible through the Tesla app. You can view and download these clips for up to 30 days after they were recorded, giving you ample time to review important footage or save it locally to your device. Dashcam clips can be easily shared through secure links generated in the app. This feature is particularly useful for insurance claims, providing evidence to authorities, or even sharing with friends and family. The links are encrypted and time-limited for security. Tesla prioritizes privacy in its camera features. Since 2025, they've introduced end-to-end encryption for streams and clips to protect your data. Remote viewing of camera feeds requires your explicit consent to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure you are aware of local laws regarding recording in public spaces. These features comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. If you're experiencing issues with Sentry mode or Dashcam in the Tesla app, start by ensuring your app is fully updated to the latest version. A stable internet connection is crucial. Make sure both your phone and Tesla vehicle have reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data access for remote camera features to work properly. If live streaming isn't working, Double-check that Sentry mode is actually enabled and active on your vehicle's touchscreen settings. If problems continue after these steps, visit Tesla's support website or contact customer service for personalized assistance. As Tesla continues to advance its camera technology, the future holds exciting developments that will make vehicles even smarter and more secure. One major trend is the integration of advanced AI for anomaly detection, allowing cameras to identify unusual events in real time, such as vandalism or suspicious activity. Future updates will integrate camera data with insurance providers, enabling automated incident reporting and potentially lower premiums for safe drivers. Enhanced predictive security alerts using machine learning will warn owners of potential threats before they occur, based on patterns in camera footage. Overall, Tesla's camera capabilities are evolving into advanced situational awareness tools, potentially integrating with smart cities for traffic monitoring and enhancing privacy through biometric app access. These innovations promise a safer, more connected driving experience, making Tesla vehicles not just cars, but intelligent companions on the road.